Hey, it's Heather. Today I'm doing a little something fun in my freeze dryer. I'm freeze drying some Skittles. I can't open them, but I'm gonna freeze dry them. Hold on. Okay, well, I got the Skittles open. Thought I was still recording, but I wasn't. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna do something a little different with the freeze dryer today than I normally do. I haven't done any candy in a while. But I used to freeze dry candy all the time when I first got my machine to offset the cost of the machine. And I would sell it at a local market. And it did really well because that was back before all the freeze dried candy came out. And, Skittles even has a freeze dried line now. So anyway, this could save you some money and be something fun to do for yourself if you have a freeze dryer. I already put them on the tray and I just spaced mine out a little bit. They are going to stick together probably because I have a good many on the tray. Some people say put like 10 ounces. I never measure them. I don't really care if they stick together. They're all going to taste fine and they break apart pretty easily. They don't have to be perfect for me. So anyway, we're going to get these in the freeze dryer. Okay, so I'll bring it closer and show you my settings. Okay. So initial freeze time off, extra freeze time 0, dry temperature 150. I put extra dry time for 3 hours. I do mine from 3 to 5 hours. I just check on them. So then we're going to hit save and we're going to hit start. And after the 15 minutes, it does say don't load your trays until the 15 minutes are up, but I did go ahead and do that. And then this says high temperature mode, candy mode off. We want to put that on. And then we're going to continue. And I'm going to warm the trays for a minute. And we'll close the drain valve. And then we'll come back in 3 to 5 hours and see what's going on. Okay, well the other day I came out late and emptied the freeze dryer, so I didn't video that. But I did put more Skittles in there, and now I'm about to take these out, so you'll just see this end of it. And these have went for about 4 hours, and in my experience, 3 to 5 hours is good for Skittles, so I'm fine with that. I'm going to take these out and bag them up. You can see they're all nice and popped. I have the Skittles packaged in a clear front Mylar bag. This bag does have a zipper top on them, but I go ahead and heat seal them. Well, that's it for me. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching, and we'll see y'all next time. For Easter, I just thought it'd be something fun and different for Easter for them.